What is up, everybody? I know that a lot of you guys own Dogecoin. If you don't own a lot of it, I know that most of you guys probably own at least some of it. And a new report just came out from a blockchain data analytics company called Chainalysis, which reveals some very surprising information. Some of it's good, some of it's bad. But if you ever own Dogecoin, you're probably gonna want to hear this. We're going to go over what is going on with retail investors, institutional investors, whale accounts, and a couple of other very shocking pieces of information. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and also if you're wondering, this is just a weighted vest. It's like 65 or 70 pounds. I wear it when I go on runs or sometimes I'm at Stone Mountain in Georgia again. But anyway, so first thing is we're going to go over the good news. Good news is according to this blockchain data analytics report, it reveals that right now, since July of 2020, new investors have increased their share of the supply of Dogecoin from 9% to 25%. So this is good because this shows us that people are wanting to get into Dogecoin. Whether you think it's a meme, whether you think it has long-term potential, ultimately over the last year, we have seen an increase of new investors in Dogecoin. We have seen the total number of investors increase dramatically as well. Last year, we had less than 1 million or 2 people in Dogecoin, but now, as of August 2021, there are over 4 million Dogecoin wallets, people who own Dogecoin. This is great news. The bad news is out of the 4 million Dogecoin wallets, right now we see that 535 entities, 535 wallet addresses own 82% of the entire supply of Dogecoin. And yes, I know some of you may be saying, well, this might include Robinhood. Robinhood's the biggest whale account, and they store Dogecoin for other people, so it doesn't really count. And that, that is part of the case, but either way, 535 of the biggest Dogecoin addresses own 106 billion Dogecoin. They own 82% of the total supply. In addition to this, 31 entities own 37 billion Dogecoin alone. So that doesn't include Robinhood. They excluded the largest whale account. They took that one out. And still, 31 accounts own 37 billion Dogecoin. So that becomes a risk. And we always know this, but it becomes a risk in whether you're talking about stocks, whether you're talking about crypto, when few people own a vast majority of a coin. And even though we have seen that there have been a dramatic increase of interest in Dogecoin over the last year, even though we have seen that new investors have gone from owning 9% of the supply of Dogecoin to 25% of the supply of Dogecoin, this is still a big risk. And then lastly, another thing that this report revealed is that right now with Dogecoin, we are seeing that this is like one more piece of news that you just need to know. It's not really good or not really bad, but ultimately what we have seen with Dogecoin is that they're out of all 4 million Dogecoin wallet addresses, 2.1 million of them own less than 100 Doge. So that means that a vast majority of people don't own a lot. They own less than 100 Dogecoin, less than $100 of Dogecoin. And so really what I think that means is that we're just seeing people get into Dogecoin because they want to be a part of the community. They want to at least have some of it. They think it's fun. And that's what most people are doing. Most people own a few Dogecoin just for the fun of it. So I just want to let you guys know what was going on with this data analytics blockchain report from Chainalysis, because I found it pretty interesting. Some good, some bad, but important to know either way. Ultimately, right now, we've seen a lot of big and exciting news come out for Dogecoin, the Dogecoin community, with this the Dogecoin Foundation back up and running. People on their board are people like Vitalik Buterin, Billy Marcus, who is the co-creator of Dogecoin. We also see one of Elon Musk's top family financial advisors is on the board. So a lot of exciting things going on for Dogecoin and the community. But wanted to reveal this report, go over it, because there was some surprising information. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.